Hello my beautiful family and welcome back again to my space. Guys, join me, let's make this Nigeria party egusi soup together. For the egusi, I'm using this 3 kilo of egusi, and for my oil, I'm using this nice oil. So we have some stockfish, we have some dry lizard fish, not a regular lizard that you know. This is fish, okay? And we have some bay warrior. We have this cubion, this fresh fish. I'll be using 3 of these. So for the meat, I'm going to be using this ishaki. As you can see, my meat is freeze. My ishaki and my pomo, they are freeze, so I will be melting it. So we have some ishaki and some pomo, and here is our goat meat. So my beautiful family, let's cook. So I've added hot water into my shaki and pomo, or just leave that there to melt while I go ahead and parboil my goat meat. I'll be parboiling this goat meat with some salt. I will close it, allow it to parboil a bit, then I'll take it off from the stove and wash it properly. Oh, yes, it's true. So guys, here's all my protein washed and clean. I'll add it into my pot, add in my stockfish, then I'll go ahead and add it all my seasoning. Okay.
Smart and strong, she leads the way. Her grace turns night into day. Self-reserved, yet she's a star. She lights the world from near to far. Oh, the charm, the art, she's got a golden heart. Oh, 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 oh. Glory, glory, beauty divine, the most beautiful dancer. Every time she's.
So guys, here's my fish. I'll be drying it in the oven.
If not glory, then who, then who? Smart and strong, she leads the way.
So my meat is half done. I'll go ahead and add in my pomo to cook together with my meat. I'll close it, allow it to cook while I go ahead and mix my egusi.
Who's the queen of the floor? Tell me who. If not glory, then who, then who? She moves like a dream, so light, so free. Her golden heart shines, can't you see? Oh, the smile.
So here is my pepper mix. I will add it to my meat to melt. I have this hot pepper, tatashe, onions, and a little bit of tomatoes. It's ready. I will take it out, then I'll allow it to cool a bit before blending.
Time she's the one. Oh yes, it's true. If not
So guys, our meat is ready. As you can see, I'm very happy. Here is my egusi. I'll go ahead and fry it now.
today, self-reserved, yet she.
In here is my onions. I'm using a lot of onions. I'll fry, then I'll add my pepper mix. Also fry it till it's done. Then I'll go ahead and add in my egusi.
Glory, glory, beauty divine, the most beautiful dancer. Every time she's the one. Oh yes, it's true. If not glory, then who, then who? Smart and strong, she leads the way. Her grace turns night into day. Self-reserved, yet she's a star. She lights the world from near to far. Oh, the charm, the art, she's got a golden heart. Oh, oh.
So guys, our egusi soup is well fried. The oil is dried. As you can see, it's 100% well fried. So I'll go ahead and add in both my meat and my meat stock on it. In here is my bay warrior. You can call it blackfish also. I will add it, give it a good stir. Then I'll go ahead and add in all my seasonings.
And strong, she leads the way. Who's the queen of the floor? Tell me who. If not glory, then who? Then who? She moves like a dream, so light, so free. Her golden heart shines, can't you see? Oh, the smile, the glow, the way she steals the show. Oh, oh, oh. Glory, glory, beauty divine, the most beautiful dancer. Every time she's the one. Oh yes, it's true. If not glory, then who? Then who? Smart and strong, she leads the way. Her grace turns night into day. Self-reserved, yet she.
So guys, our egusi soup is 90% ready. I'll go ahead and add in some dry bitter leaf, give that a good stir. Then I will be adding my dry fish. I'm adding this dry fish last because I don't want it to scatter. As I take put am for inside this soup, I want see am bring come out like that. I don't want it to scatter, so I will be adding it last. So at this point, we are going to be stirring it gently, not like agbero. Okay. So I go ahead and stir it gently, and I tasted it and it entered. The egusi soup enter class. This is what I call Maka egusi, Versace egusi. Guys, don't mind me, oh, don't mind me. Our soup is ready, guys. Our soup is ready. Idanta. Idanta. Here is your plate. Bring your plate. Let me serve you guys. Say the truth. Egusi soup not dey hungry you. As you see this soup, e not dey hungry you. E not dey hungry you so. Look at this goat meat. Take day. Take day. So guys, that will be it for today's video. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in our next one. Bye bye.